Hello students, are you all okay? Yes, okay. Now what is this? Yes, this is a letter B. What is the name of this letter? A. Very good. Now, what is the sound of this letter? T. No. Sound. T दी sound है T. T. B, B, A, T. So students, sounds of letters makes a word. So आज ਆਪਾਂ कुछ word तैयार करांगे letters ਦੇ sound ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. First word is a bat. Bat. B A T. Bat. Second word P I G. Pig. N O O. Now F L Y. Fly. Now V I J. Next R and D. Now students, read these words. Yes, here is B A T, bat. P I G, pig. N O O, now. F L Y, fly. V A J, widge. R A D, red. So students, learn these words, and after that you can write these words in 4 lines copy like this. Thank you.